Well, it must be Michigan. Welcome back to Farm and Truck TV. It's a beautiful Wednesday morning. About 28 degrees and snowing. But it's kind of picturesque, right? Alright, let's get them fed. They're kind of getting it, but they're all kind of idiots. Like, really dumb animals. Hold on, guys, I'll get to you. Hold on. Alright, it's a little low. I probably should have a little higher like on these ones, but since that one can't get up, they can all bend down and make it happen. They're finally kind of getting the mechanics here. Oh, the happy tail's going. That's that one poo butt, but everyone else looks fine. That big one already had that. These guys are looking good. Huh? What's everybody doing over here? Funky ears. Weird. There. All the snow coming down. Alright. These guys always do pretty good. Pretty good group of these jerseys. I have to eventually here build something a little more permanent here, but I kind of like being able to remove these. These sway off a lot. I gotta feed this guy. Oh, what's up, man? You hungry today? You weren't very hungry last night. All right, keep going. All right, I briefly talked about it, but to get the tractor moved out here, which has been a major godsend because I had to move that big pile of poo that was here. Can't really tell, but out in this general area, so we're gonna be doing our composting of the soil bedding and whatever else needs to go is gonna go way back there, away from everybody, away from the house, away from everything out there. So we've been using an old case here. Now it's not anything fancy. It's like a 1970 something or other. This is actually a David Brown. Rebranded as a case, so that's an English company. They're made in England, so it's still it's basically a David Brown 885. I believe that's what it is, and it's a case 380 Construction King, as you can see up there. So it still has some of the David Brown. I don't know if you can tell here, that says David Brown at the bottom. It's a David Brown 3-cylinder diesel. It's like 48 horsepower, something like that. PTO horsepower is around about 35, but it's been a great little rig for us. So we're sweeping out the barn now, getting everything ready for Monday. So we got all the poo and everything in there. We're gonna fire this up. We're gonna run it out back. All right, so that's how you know when something's quality. Okay. So first things here, gotta take the old roach clip here. We're gonna pull out. Oh, I have to make this one hand. But this is the fuel shut off. I don't know if you can see it down here, so I can focus. Boop, focus. All right, we're gonna pull this out, and basically I'm gonna pinch it with this. So hold on, let me set you down real quick. Pinch that like this, so it looks something like that. And that works good. Now, if you didn't think that was ghetto enough yet, let me get the old key here. So just push the clutch in, make sure she's in neutral. This is a 8-speed, so it's got a low and a high, and it's got 4 gears. Let's see if she fires up. Come on. Oh yeah. A little bit of blow by. Nice. crazy, you know, but couldn't beat, you know, the price. My father-in-law just let me have it. So can't really complain there. All in all, I mean, it's loud. I had to put a muffler on it, so I just went to Tractor Supply and got one of these here. It's actually for an old Ford 8N, but it fit, and that's all that really matters. I got some stuff I have to do. I got to take some of this crap off. Got to do some maintenance to it. It needs a grill. So if anybody here has an old Case 380 with a grill they're willing to sell, please reach out and let me know. I'll buy it from you. I'd like to at least have that completed. I think that's probably going to do us. We're back to buying more calves on Monday and Tuesday, and then we got some dairies open the rest of the week there. So we got a real busy schedule ahead of us. I got to move a bunch of this crap around, get ready for everybody. So hope everyone's had a great weekend, and I will see you tomorrow.